Okay guys, so live trading update tayo. If you can see, we managed to close the buying because we have a update sa Telegram group. In Telegram group, we have update. We are looking into this data and we have tinamaan yung buy stop natin kanina, but then we managed to exit and add more trades. So the trading the lot size is nakadepende pa rin sa risk management natin. So for this live trading for education, we want you to see how we manage to trade and make profit maybe. So tingnan natin kung babagsak pa to, but we have one. Uh, I will explain this one, okay? So malapit na yung data lalabas. Meron nang lalabas na data like few minutes from now, like 15 minutes. One more candles, it will go out. Will go out. Will came out. So, ang problema dito is, i-close ba natin yung profit? So, dapat nga ma-close natin yung kanina. So, what are we going to do now is minimize the trade and trade again. We can do also. So, for your buying, yung nag-sell kayo kanina dito sa taas, and then, if you think that, let's say, hindi pa kayo break even, pero you can minimize your trade, try to minimize your trade around this area pa lang. Okay, when we open our first buy, we're going to minimize the trade. So some of the trade ay may stop loss and meron buying nakaabang. So we'll see within 15 minutes, mag-live tayo within 15 minutes and how the market will react. Okay, so the reason why we also sell is because of this trend line. Okay, this trend line. So yan, yun na nga tinamaan yung buy stop natin or stop loss. Buy stop ang ginawa natin. Sa TW member, you will see the update. Then we close the buying, but then we also add another sell. So ito nangyari, marami tayong sell dito sa taas. So expected take profit natin dito, una-una, itong sa taas na to, first take profit is where we start selling. So ito yung mga area. So dyan natin siya kasi always remember, pag ang resistance ma-break, magiging support na to. So kung ito ay magiging support, we can see a trend line na naman dito. Kung yan ay ang support, so maghanap tayo ng trend line. Ito yung pwede niyang gawin. So ito yung support, yan ang support. So ito yung trend line na pwede niyang gawin ngayon. Okay, may tendency ganyan siya. So we'll see. So kung mapapansin natin, di ba ito support. So may tendency hanggang dito lang yan siya. We will close the trade. But if possible, we can wait until sa lowest price niya. Pag ang data sa Forex Factory, you can check your Forex Factory 8:30 p.m. We have data on manufacturing index or PMI. It's more into US dollar. Isa lang yung red, the rest are gray pero may impact pa rin. So we're still looking for selling and hopefully the data will be positive for US dollar. Okay, so what are we going to do? Are we going to close the trade? We'll see. Let's just wait for 15 minutes. Another 15 minutes, we will understand the market reaction. And then, if the price will go up, matatamaan niya to, we can leave the trade in hedge. But then if the price go up to here lang, dito lang, we can still add selling. But this selling is for, meron na siyang stop loss. Okay? Now, always follow the risk management, especially for TW member. Try to understand this trade is for practice, for you to understand how to trade, how we react, and yun. Okay, so we'll see 10 minutes. Okay, madami pang gusto kong i-explain dito but not uh, mahirap kasi pag magamit natin sa ibang paraan. So, tingnan natin to ha. But you can watch more about our videos sa YouTube channel And then, meron dito sa Facebook, may mga live trading kami before na same strategy rin ginagamit namin. Same execution, pero different trend line lang or price action yung, again, different kasi, different talaga. Depende lang sa market. So, let's see. Still doing well. So, ito lang. Kailangan niya ma-break. Kailangan gumawa siya ng lower low. But, let's do something. Kailangan gumawa siya ng lower low. Ayun, pwede pong bumagsak yan. Huwag lang siya mag-fluctuate pa akyat, ha. Yun lang hinihintay natin. One minute. Let me check something. Let's see this. Okay. So, meron tayong nakitang support dito. Okay. Another 5 minutes. If this price won't break this, hindi niya ma-break yung support na to, i-close natin yung mga profit na nasa taas, okay? Before the data. So, some naman, kung hindi pa, kasi scalping day trade tayo, we trade scalping, so, minsan ganito, kino-close natin na. Alright? Kino-close natin na. Pero, on my, okay, let's do the trading rule, okay? Let's close the profit yung nasa taas. Okay, close natin yan. So, na-close natin na yung profit, tatlo na lang. Okay, you can do the same. Just close the profit muna. And then we decide. Kasi, look, sa trading rules natin, if we are scalping, mag-scalp lang talaga tayo. So, ang target natin is nasa 10 to 20 or 30 pips. That's how scalping works. And then, if like ganito nangyayari, meron tayong nakitang support. Itong support sa lower time frame, 5 minutes, ito yung support banda. We can still hope na pwedeng bumagsak. Yeah, but that's hoping. Yeah, that's hoping. So, wala na tayong, kumbaga, minsan natitrigger, minsan sumasabay yung emotion. Sige pa, baka mag-profit pa yan. Nangyayari yan sa emotion. But always remember, our trade is scalping day trade. So, kung nag-profit na tayo sa scalping, close your trade. Yun ang proper way. So, this, kanina lang, hindi ko close because I want to make it live and then hindi pa masyadong malaki yung exposure natin sa trade na to. Nasa one lot lang. So I'm okay. But on your side, as a newbie, as a beginner, especially for TW member, you are still practicing. So while you're practicing, i-manage na natin yung discipline. Kung scalping trade ka, nag-profit ka na, close the trade. If you make profit 0.5% a day, times 20, you can make 10% a month. So i-maintain mo lang yan. Okay? I-maintain mo lang siya. Yun nga lang, yun nga ang TW member, ang education natin is more into practice. We practice every day, we trade every day, we trade together for you to understand how to trade, which is good because you will never find an education like this that you can mirror the trades like ganito. So, tingnan natin anong pwedeng mangyari sa market. So far. So again, for those who manage to sell, you can sell first dito. You can close the take profit first kasi 7 minutes pa tayo maghihintay. Pero now if you can see dahil sa mga sell natin dito sa taas, okay, dahil example dalawa lang yung sinel mo. Okay, nag-sell ka lang dalawa dito. Almost break even na tayo nung pag-close natin ng trade dito. Almost break even na. You will see your history trading na break even ka na. So even if you close all the trade, you still didn't lose because meron tayong buying kanina, buy stop na nakaabang. And one more thing is even if we close or the trade, hindi malaki yung negative natin. Okay, hindi malaki yung loss natin. Kung loss man, we can still trade another one. We will see. So let's hope these 4 hours will become doji candles and it might go down. We don't know, but we will see how the market react. Again, we are trading price action, so most of our trade is nakadepende talaga sa price. So let's see this trend, kung magtutuloy ba yan o hindi. So for those of you didn't manage to fund yet, oh yan, hi Mr. June, na-add na kita sa TW member. Paki-check lang. I will check it also. Let me check. Tingnan natin itong trade na to. Okay, so uptrend pala. Tingnan natin. So umakyat nga. Wala pang data. Okay, now we can sell another one. 2. Let's try sell 2. Sell pa ako isa. But then always add your stop loss or buy stop if you are a trading member, TW member. Okay, because we always update the trades sa TW member. Okay, I can still sell more. One more. Then buy stop. So now sorry. Yan. So ito yung support na nakita natin. That's why we close some of the trade. Then we open another one. So ito isa, one strategy. Tapos ito ay may stop loss na. Okay. So total exposure check. Alright, then we'll see. In 10 minutes, 5 minutes. We'll see how the market react. So always protect your capital no matter what. If you're trading, always calculate your risk and profit. Example, nagbukas ka ng trading mo. Tapos hindi, pagbukas mo ng trade mo, then always, pagkatapos mo mag-click ng buy or sell, i-calculate mo na through pips and lot size. So, yung lot size mo is $1. Make sure, let's say 1,000 yung capital mo, nag-trade ka $1 per pips. Ibig sabihin, 1,000 pips ang total capital mo. So, always mo i-check, always mo i-calculate kung magkano exposure ng trade mo. This is how we trade. And then once we understand already the maximum, the maximum loss, the maximum profit, then we set na yung mga strategy. Doon na tayo mag-analyze kung anong pwede mangyari. Example, umakyat si market, anong gagawin ko? Example, bumagsak si market, anong gagawin ko? So you need to plan A, plan B. Then, nandyan yan sa trading plan, which is we will have trading plan also end of the month. Okay, we'll set. So ito na. So again, yung trade natin dito kanina, nag-sell tayo, mali yung forecast, hindi siya nag-price action talaga, umakyat pa siya. But since we are using Asian strategy and we are using price action, and all trades are updated in our TW member, so nag-update tayo. And until now, we are still, I think lost pa tayo something. Example, lost pa tayo ng like 1,000, yeah, 1,000 USD. So kung may trade ka na 0.01, $1 or $2 yung loss mo. Yun, so nagpa-price action na rin siya sa lower time frame. Let's see. Sa market, congratulations. Ito nang gagawin natin. I-close natin ba yan? Tingnan natin saglit. Congratulations. Yan. So close all the trade. Close the trade. Close the trade. Close the trade. Dalawa na lang. So again, lahat ng nasa taas ay close natin na. Take your profit. Almost. Malapit na siya, oh. Price action na yan. So, kung hindi niyan ma-break, at least we make profit. We send the signals kanina. May take profit talaga tayo dito. You can check the TW member. Okay. Now, decision will come. We'll see anong decision niya. If we can leave the trade. But again, congratulations. Okay. Kahit pat paano ay nag-profit tayo. Let me just check. Yan yung mga profit natin. Okay. So, yung mga scalping natin kanina, medyo malaki-laki nga eh. But this is for you to understand that we trade. Okay, let me show you the profit. Okay, yan. So, meron tayong scalping trade kanina, malaki. Why? Because we have a huge capital. So, kaya we can expose more. But for this education, maintain mo lang yung 0.01. That's our risk management. Nandyan sa TW member. So, congratulations guys. So far, we're making profit. Okay, we're making profit. Yan, bumagsak sa market. Babagsak pa ba yan? Tingnan natin daw. Yun, pwede pang bumagsak. But try to understand, okay? If you're making 0.5% or 1% already, you can close the profit. You can close the profit and wait. Tingnan natin yung market. Baka pwede yung umakyat ulit. Okay, let me just secure the profit. Okay. So, congratulations. Yeah, congratulations. Now you can trade alone, practice alone. May tendency po tayo ma-loss. Yes, nalolos naman talaga. But you will never learn. But if you're going to learn with us, practice with us, you'll learn a lot. Ayun, so exit ko yung isa. I want to make break even. So, again, ganito yung nangyari yan, ha? Always remember, traders, malapit na yung take profit natin, malapit na i-close natin yung trade. Tapos nagdadalawang isip pa tayo, gusto pa natin bumagsak siya dito. Nangyayari yan as an emotion. So, what are you going to do? Pag bumagsak na dito, kahit hindi pa siya, let's say, ito yung take profit natin sa baba, hindi pa siya tinamaan ng take profit, pero malapit na talaga siya, close your trade. Okay? Don't wait for the price to hit the take profit. Kung malapit na talaga, gaya kanina, hindi ko na-close. So, may tendency yan, gold can fluctuate easily. Can go up, can go down easily. So, data, negative pa US dollar, worse than expected. So, magiging price action to. Okay. I will close the trade, sacrifice, okay, and calculate your take profit. If you are in profit, close your trade. Okay, the data for US dollar is negative. So, there will be possibility itong trend ay pwede magtuloy-tuloy pa. Okay, but for the sake of education and for your trades, if you are already in profit, close your trade and let's trade again because from the beginning of our trade, we are supposed to sell pero nakapag-sell tayo sa taas. Okay. So, yeah. TW member, we will update the next trade. Anong gagawin natin? Okay. Support, binalikan niya lang. Okay. So, yeah, you learn a lot today. Let's keep on practicing. If you make profit, kasi look, we sell here. Nag-sell tayo dito, umakyat si market, nag-sell pa tayo, pagbagsak niya, ito sa baba, break even, itong apat or tatlo, profit tayo. Alright, so congratulations, you made profit. So that's it for today, guys. I will update for the next trading and keep in touch and have a great evening. Cheers. Bye bye.